glitch. We were discussing the importance of organizing. Number 2, clarity in working relationships. In organizing function, the management employees are assigned different jobs and managers clearly define the jobs. The jobs are defined on the written document, which is called job description, which explains what exactly has to be done in every job. There is a clearly defined line of communication and the line of authority and responsibility. This helps the fixation of responsibility and removes ambiguity in transfer of information and instructions. So clearly, the working relationships are defined. The managers clearly define the works of different employees. What are the work to be done by different employees are defined by the management, are explained to them. Such explanation is done through a written document which is called job description, and they also explain what the work is to be done by each employee. So this clearly communicates the work that is expected by the management from the workers or the employees. This also helps to fix the responsibility of the employees, that this work was expected from him or her, so this is the responsibility he has to accomplish. Next, optimum utilization of resources. In organizing function, all jobs are clearly defined and differentiated. The proper allocation of job help in overlapping duplication of work, which helps in avoiding confusion and minimizing the wastage of resources and efforts. So through this, proper utilization of resources can be done. So in organizing function, all jobs are clearly defined. So the resources can be used in optimum level because the workers are specialized in that. Proper allocation of resources and jobs are to be done to the specific employees, those who are experienced and specialized in their task. So the utilization of resources is done to the fullest, to the optimum level, and the wastage is minimum. Next is adaptation to change. Organizing helps the enterprise to adjust itself according to the changes in business environment by suitably modifying the organization structure. The organization structure can be suitably changed to help the business adapt to the changes in the business environment. The whole organization structure can be changed in the organizing process so that all the changes to the business environment can be adapted by the business organization. Next is effective administration. Organizing clearly clarifies jobs and duties and authority responsibility relationships. This helps in avoiding confusion and duplication and enables proper execution of work. Since all the jobs and duties of all the employees are clearly identified, clearly communicated to them, so duplication or confusion does not arise if there is proper organizing. If organization is done properly, all the employees are known, all the employees are familiar with their work, the work to be done is properly divided between employees, so there will be no confusion among them, and the management can easily administrate, or effective administration can be done with clear mention, clear communication of the job. Next is development of personnel. It helps in development of the personnel by delegation of work to subordinates. Effective delegation allows manager to assign works of routine nature to their employees. The reduction in workload enables the manager to develop new methods and ways of performing job efficiently. It gives them time to innovate latest techniques to explore new areas for the growth of the companies. Now, with proper delegation of work, works are delegated to the designated employees. Next, their responsibility is fixed. Now they are accountable to the job provided to them. With this, the workload is reduced on the managers, and the managers can identify and analyze new and better techniques of doing the work. If they analyze new and better techniques of doing the work, all over the personnel, the human resource of the organization gets developed. Next is expansion and growth. Organizing promotes growth and diversification of an enterprise. It enables a business enterprise to add more job positions, departments, and even diversify their product lines. The product lines and all other job positions and departments are diversified and promoted with the help of proper organizing. Next, we'll see the process of organizing. What is the organizing process? This we'll see here. There are 4 steps in the organizing process. Step 1, identification and division of work. Step 2, departmentalization. Number 3, assignment of duties. And number 4, establishing reporting relationships. So what are these steps? We'll see in detail here. Number 1, identification and division of work. The process of organizing begins with identification and division of work. The entire work is to be divided into manageable activities called job, so that duplication of efforts and resources can be avoided and the burden of work can be shared among the employees. As per the plan, first of all, the work has to be analyzed. You have to identify what is the total work to be done. Now that total work is to be divided into manageable activities. You must divide the work into different activities which are called jobs, and such activities are allocated to various set of employees so that the resources can be shared by them, the burden of work can be shared by them, and there should not be any duplication of work, as the same work is to be done by this set of employees also and that set of employees also, and later on there will be confusion as who is to do which kind of work. Such duplication and confusion can be avoided with identification and division of work. Next is departmentalization. The second step in organizing process is to combine or club or group the similar activities into larger units called departments, sections or divisions. This grouping process is known as departmentalization. Work divided into jobs is combined to facilitate unity of effort. It facilitates specialization. The departments so created are linked together on the basis of their interdependence. Department can be created on the basis of following basis. Number 1, on the basis of functions. Number B, on the basis of products. And number C, on the basis of territory. Now after you have divided the whole work, you can group the similar kind of works into one department or into one unit. That is known as departmentalization. So this helps to get more specialization on the work and to attain the benefits of unity of effort. Now division can be done on the basis of function, on the basis of product, or on the basis of territory. This we'll study later in this chapter, that functional division and product division, this will study later. Number 3 is assignment of duties. After departmentalization, the next step is to allocate the work to the employees according to their experience, skill and competencies. In order to ensure effective performance in an enterprise, it is essential that a proper match or balance is made between the nature of a job, ability of the employee and responsible for that job. After departmentalization is done, you need to allocate the work to the employees according to their expertise, skill, competencies. Now what is the skill, what is the competency of one employee is well known to the organization. Since you know the competency and skill of the employees, you need to ensure that effective performance of the job is done by the employees by providing them the work that is according to their ability. What is the ability of the employee? Such kind of jobs should be provided to that employee. That is the next step in the organizing process. And number 4, establishing reporting relationship. Only assignment of work is not enough. The next step is in the organizing process is to establish reporting relationship. From an employee has to receive order or instruction and to whom he is accountable or answerable for the performance of the work allotted. Just if you assign the duties, that is not enough. You must also ensure that from whom the employee is receiving the orders and assignments, as well as after the completion of work, or if there is any query or any doubts for the employee, whom he is answerable and accountable to. For the work, whom he is accountable and answerable. Such clear establishment of reporting relationship is very important for proper success of the organization. The establishment of such clear reporting relationship helps to create a hierarchical structure and helps in coordination among various departments. So this benefit can be attained with establishing reporting relationship, and this is the last step in the organizing process. The next topic is about organizing structure. This we'll see in the next video. Organization structure. Till then, if you have any queries regarding this, you can contact me on my contact number through WhatsApp or call. And I think today's concepts were quite clear. Still, if you have any queries, you can contact me. Thank you very much and bye.